Time at home can be time to trudge through a few projects you've been meaning to get to. If photos are one of them, here you go. Laura Souders is helping us get it together this month with photo organization.
We are home with our families right now, Laura. It's a time that we can maybe do something with our families and get caught up on some other things. And you say photo organizing is a good family project.
Yeah, this is a great time to do a really inexpensive project with your families. And it can be a lot of fun to look at old pictures and talk about old times. We were just looking through some old pictures of my husband and I in high school and my kids.
Oh.
So it can be great to share that at this time.
So what are some of your tips? Because I'm sure there are so many ways we can do that.
Yeah. The first thing you want to do is have a big table. If you have your dining room table or a big table that you can set up, that you don't have to worry about clearing it real soon, because this is a kind of an ongoing project, a longer project. What you're going to want to do is to take the pictures, the packs of pictures you have, and we're going to be getting rid of those packs. They take up a lot of space, so we'll just get rid of those. And we're going to go through the pictures that you have, all those pictures that are blurry. You don't even know who's in the pictures anymore. They might be landscapes or clouds. Get rid of those pictures. A lot of them, that you got doubles and triples of, you didn't really need, or they didn't turn out well. So purge those pictures.
Do you use albums or boxes? How do you do it?
Yeah. So what you do then, as you're going through, you're going to be getting rid of pictures, but you're going to be sorting pictures to put into a box. That's what I think that is the best thing. Whether you're going to be making a photo album or scrapbooking with them, or maybe even scanning them to digitize the pictures, it's best to have them organized before you start. And I find the box is the easiest way to have them organized. So you're going to be sorting the pictures, and you want to do it the way that you find easiest. You'll be able to find the pictures. So I just take a Post-it note, and you can either use dates to organize the pictures by, or events, like maybe holidays or things that you've gone to, that what's in the group. And then you can put those Post-it notes by the piles of pictures. So it'll be easy to clean up them when you're done. I use acid-free photo boxes. Here's mine. You can label them in front. And then they usually come with a little card. These cards that you can fill out that show what the dates are or the events, to help you to label the packs of pictures. Here's my box. These boxes are great because they efficiently store hundreds of pictures and make them easy to put on a shelf and easy to find. But if you don't have those boxes right now, you can just take a regular shoebox and it'll work the same. And I used a note card and kind of trimmed it up and then put the different dates in there to label it.
I'm thinking this could be something fun for me to do with my kids, because my children are really little, so they like to have like jobs to do. So they would actually think this is a really fun thing. And I typically do the whole digital thing. I have it digital and try to make digital photo albums every year, because I know the kids like to look at it. Do you think we've gotten away from like actually physically seeing pictures or physically touching pictures?
Yeah, that's what a lot of my pictures are from, the 90s and the 80s. They're a lot older, and a lot of people will tell me when I'm organizing with them, they have pictures from their parents and their grandparents. And these are a lot of the ones that, as sad as it is, if you don't know anyone who's in the pictures, maybe you can send it to some family members, email it, see if anyone knows. But if you don't know, probably you're going to have to stop and get rid of those, because the next generation is not going to know who's in those pictures either.
And where can we get more of your organizing tips?
You can get more of my organizing tips on my Facebook page or my website, healthierspaces.com. And you can find more in my book, Organizing Her Life.
Thanks so much, Laura. Good to see you, even if it's through the internet.
Thank you. You too, Amy. Have a great day.
Simple tips.
Love her. Great to see her. Hopefully in studio again someday down the road.